Hello everybody, just doing a quick update on my grapevines. I have 5 varieties against this fence, and I have to go through and make sure all the vines touch the rope. I don't want them to go to the fence, so I just use some plant tape or some of the plastic covered wire. But anytime I use this, I notice the vine gets lazy. If I don't use plant tape, the tendrils are more active and they start grabbing things. But the unfortunate thing is they're grabbing things I don't want them to grab. So it's best I coordinate that. Like I said, there's 5 varieties. The seedless, the flame seedless is pretty weak, but it was a big root system when I transplanted it this winter, so it could be an issue. The Concord is doing a little okay, but it's gonna be 107 degrees in a couple days here. So if it's struggling even more, the clusters are coming off. See ya.